All right, guys, this is Rahul Gupta, and today I'm your host, and I'm gonna present you the power of Music Man and the demo. Okay, so Music Man is basically our world's first AI-powered machine learning software that allows you to generate premium music tracks. It also allows you to select different types of music by mood, by genre, and by different tempos, and you can quickly and easily create different set of music for any types of videos, YouTube channel, or for any video production work. So this Music Man is basically based on our artificial intelligence robot, and we call it Muma AI. And you know how we trained it? We trained it using the most complex and sophisticated machine learning models that are allowing our users to create instant music. So let's quickly jump on to the Music Man demo. So first step you would do is click on the new compose button and give your music a name. So let's suppose I'm gonna do it as Music Man Test 1, and I will click on next. Now you need to select your duration, how long your music should be. So short is 30 seconds, medium is 1 minute, long is 3 minutes, and custom duration is something where you can set your custom duration. Let's suppose I want to create a music for 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So I'm gonna use custom duration here. Now I'm gonna click on next. Now, what is my mood of the video? So if I want my video to be energetic, I would choose something like happy, and then it will provide me with different genres that are available inside this mood. So let's say I am going to generate here pop music. So if I select the pop, now I have the tempos. So slow music is not available with this genre, therefore it is blurred, while the rest of the two tempos are available. So medium and fast. So I'm gonna choose medium tempo, and once this is done, it is going to give me create track button. So as soon as you hit the create track button after selecting your mood, genre, and tempo, it will allow you to instantly create and compose a freshly composed music track. And this is your music track which is already generated, so you can play. Now see that this is the nice music, and the music is generated for exactly the duration that you just told our Muma AI to generate. So this is like 2 minutes 43 seconds demo, and this is our player. So if you want to download this song, you can do it from here. And if you want to now compose a new track, you can go here again and compose a new track. Or you want to see all your composed tracks, then you can go to manage tracks here, and you will see all your composed music from previous times. So this is our new demo, therefore it is only comes with one music track, and we also help you with the selection options. So that means whatever the options you select, we will provide you all this information right here. So let's suppose if you like this music and you want to mark it favorite, because once you start generating different types of music and moods, you will get lost because the system is so powerful that you can create thousands and thousands of music. Therefore it's always better that if you like some music, instantly you need to mark it as favorite, so that you can always get to your favorites list right from here, and you can download your music anytime from your favorites list. Okay, so this is my favorites list, and you can download all the songs right here. Okay, now the next feature of the Music Man platform is our AI tracks. So let me just open it. So this AI tracks is something that we are so proud of in building, because Muma, basically it loves music, and what it does is every minute it creates a new, fresh, and premium music track for you, and it adds automatically that music track in the Music Man system. So in a day, there are approximately 1440 minutes, which means Music Man software will add 1440 music tracks every single day, as long as you have the access to the tool. So this is amazing, you know. Why? Because our machine learning model is working every single minute, every single day, 24/7, working for you to help you with the new type of music tracks, and you can always download, watch, and listen to these music tracks. So if you like any music track from our automatic generation of AI tracks, you can always again mark it as favorite. So let's just listen to some of the songs. Okay, so this is the one. If you don't like that, just go to some other. Okay, so this one is much better. So let's say I want to mark it as favorite. Now I'm gonna select and try this one. Okay, as you can see that all these different music tracks are completely unique. So they are based on the combination of thousands of sampled data that we provide to the machine learning model. And we trained this model for almost 6 to 8 months. After that, we have our complex algorithms right inside the Music Man app. And then only we are able to bring you this powerful tool. Okay, so you can go through all these different pages. You can see there are 47,459 entries. While I was giving you the demo of the software, you can see if I refresh this number will go up. So you see that while I was explaining you AI tracks, the system already added two more new music tracks, right? So see how amazing this is. Now, if you want to go to music library, what it does, we have already compiled more than 10,000 premium royalty free tracks for you. So let's say you want to use premium tracks that are licensed and that are set for royalty free. That means there will be no copyright. Then you can select, go to always your music library, select your type of mood, and all these songs are pre-created and pre-generated. So this is our collection of music. Okay, and you can use all these music in your projects for free without worrying about YouTube copyright strikes or without worrying about companies sending you copyright notices. So this is again an amazing feature. So you can select different types of mood from here. So once you select a mood, you will see all these different music tracks based on different genres and tempos, and you can go on and select different types of things. Also, you can select the different type of duration. So let's say you only want music between 30 seconds to 2 minutes in the category of dreamy. So you just do that, and you will see that all these music tracks are sorted based on the search and filter option. Okay, and if you select your genre, it will even give you the best results. Okay, so that's how you are going to use the music library. So imagine this: you have thousands of music tracks right here in the music composer, then you have 10,000 music tracks right here, and then you have your artificial intelligence robot Muma AI that is adding 1440 songs or premium music tracks every single day in the Music Man system. Imagine how powerful this is. Even if you start to use the system and start selling our music to the other audience, you can still make a decent amount of money. And now, in the Music Man, we are also able to give you our experimental feature, which I call it as Project Manager. So let's suppose you have two or three different types of projects in mind. Maybe one you have related to gym, or one you have related to maybe your art classes or for your dance classes, and you want to create different projects. So in those different projects, you want to create not only one, but different set of music. So you need to set up a project for that. So let's go and quickly create a project for you. Okay, so this is my first project, which is I will call it as gym project, and I will go next. Now again you have three different options. So one is manual duration. So if you don't have anything to start, you can always choose manual duration, and you will give this tool a manual duration to start generating all the music tracks inside this project to be the exact same duration. But if you already have your video with you, you can choose the option number two, upload your video, and you can upload your video right here and select our music tracks on the next step. And if you have your audio and you want to merge your audio and make it better with our music composition and mixing tracks, then you can select the option number three, and you can drop your audio file here. So in this demo, I'm gonna show you the demo for manual duration, which I will do as 2 minutes and maybe let's say 30 seconds. So now I click on continue button. So I have different sets of categories right here where I will be generating different kinds of tracks. I will give this project input. So I have, if you see here in all these categories, we have a total collection of 25,000 different music tracks, and you can use all these music tracks as your inputs. And in the next step, we are going to provide you different sets of mixing options. So this project part is completely experimental. Why? Because we want to give our users some power in their hands to create different types of music, mix and match them, so that every time when they create a new music, the music will be unique to them. Okay, so let's just try, and let's select Disney themes or something. So you have different options. So you click on the compose button, and as soon as you hit on a compose button, there is a project track inside this project. So this first one is a sticky gym project, and you cannot do anything with that, of course, because that's a project. And this is our song track screen. Okay, so if I will click this tab, I will see here the bunch of options here. Okay, so this was the selected audio track. Let me just play it for you. So this is my selected audio track, and now these are our percussions, keys, and ambience. So this is a combination of mixing and matching, where our system will going to mix all these different compositions right inside this music track on based on our machine learning model. Okay, so if you want, you can always listen to also these small things, but if you don't want to try and listen and just want to use the result directly, you can click on the render button and download your music track from here. So as soon as you render, your composed music track will go into a queue where every user queue will be scheduled. Okay, so if you have multiple music scheduled, it will take some time, but don't worry, as soon as your music is ready, we are going to mail you that your project is rendered and your music track is ready, so you can go check anytime. Okay, so now we go to the project again, and let's select some more bunch of options and music. So in this option, I'm gonna select this one. Then in the karaoke, I'm gonna go here and compose this one. So as you can see that in this project, I'm able to create and add 2 to 3 different music tracks. Okay, so you can create up to 10 different music tracks in one project. That means in your gym project, if you are looking for, let's say, 2 or 3 audios, you can select all these different audios right here. If you also want to have a preview of the audio before you want to select, you can always do that. Just click on that and see if you like the starting of the audio or not, because these are all the inputs. So you select a category, then you select the input track, and on the next step in the individual screen of the project, you are going to mix and match the composition so that you have a resultant audio. So in this demo, if you don't like, let's say, this music, you can remove this one, or let's say this one, and let's say this one, let's play. Okay, so maybe I don't like this one as well and this one as well. So I'm gonna decrease my mixings so that the original music track, the input music track, should be nice. Okay, so I just reduce the number of mixing compositions, and now I will hit on the render button. So see that the music render is on the queue list, and after some time, once this is ready, you will receive a notification right here. Okay, so once your song is ready, you will receive the notification. Also, anytime you can go to my tracks page to see all your composed music tracks. Okay, and the projects that you have already created are all here. Okay, so in this project, as you can see here, gym project, we created 3 music tracks, right? But we only rendered one. So which means these 2 music tracks that we did not render will be on the my tracks page, and you can render them from here. So let's say I'm going to render them from here and also render them from here. So these 3 music tracks are now added to our rendering list, and as soon as there are no more queued up music tracks from you, then if the time comes for these music tracks will get rendered. So see here, this project is rendered successfully, haunted mansion. So now I'm gonna play this music right here in front of you. So this is our music track, and you can see here I just reduced the song sound, and that's how you are going to use our project manager. Okay, so I believe that you have liked the Music Man demo. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.